Hey guys, we're making a blackberry shrub and I just found these blackberries out by the river nearby. We're gonna do equal parts of blackberries and equal parts of any kind of sweetener of your choice. I'm gonna do organic cane sugar and we're just gonna let this sit for at least 24 hours. We can do 48 hours and it's gonna become very liquidy. We can stir it every 12 hours or so. Day 2, and you can see this is much more liquidy. The sugar hasn't completely dissolved yet, so we're gonna give it another day and we'll be back tomorrow to see how it looks. This is 48 hours after we've soaked the berries and the sugar, and you can see how liquidy it got. Strain it off, and then we're gonna take this weight, the weight of this liquid, and do equal parts of a really high quality vinegar of your choice. And we're gonna use a white balsamic vinegar from our farmer's market. Let's see. Oh my God, it tastes like pie. So now we're gonna add equal parts of our blackberry sugar liquid and a really high quality balsamic vinegar, or any vinegar of your choice. But I'm super fortunate to live near the California Balsamic Company, and they have the most high quality vinegar, and you don't even need to refrigerate it. And if you do refrigerate it, it gets thick because of the high quality of the vinegar. Anyways, it will, if you use a very high quality vinegar, it can also make your shrub get thick in the fridge and be a little bit hard to mix into your cocktail, but it's definitely worth it because we want to use the best, right? Now our shrub is ready to bottle, and then you can make your favorite cocktails or spritzers, and you can check out in the description some recipes that we have. Don't forget, label, label, label. And now you have it, a delicious blackberry shrub.